Hey guys, welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So today we got spare ribs. How many pounds does this say? 11 pounds. So let me say this. Unfortunately, I've never cooked these before. But it's all good. We're gonna learn. We're gonna learn together. So let me make this cut right here. I guess, yeah, well, you know what? Let's trim this right here. So, for this, kind of lost here with this, but we're going to try to make, or I'm going to try to make the St. Louis. Like I said, I have no idea where to make the cut. Cut right here? Let me see. All right, we're getting somewhere. So all it is cartilage. You're cutting through the cartilage. All right, now it's starting to look like a rib, like a St. Louis cut. So what I'm feeling for are the bones, because it's probably gonna be a good 5-hour cook. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it right here. There's two bones there's 1 and 2 bones that I cut. Just trim a little bit off. And make some type of dish with it, because this is good meat right here. I can make a carne con chile with this for sure. Look at this, man. I'm gonna just cube it all up. Like this stuff right here that has a lot of the silver skin. I'm gonna just go ahead and smoke that. Give it to my dog. But this other stuff here, yeah, I'm gonna make a dish out of this. So we are gonna remove the membrane. So I got this gadget here that I bought on Amazon. I'll do a review on it when I use it more. I just haven't really had the time to do the review on this little gadget right here. But it works good. So we're gonna go ahead and just make a quick simple rub. I don't know, about a tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon garlic, fresh ground, tablespoon of black pepper. Mix this up. Well, I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning and cook these guys, because here in California the weather's been in the triple digits and I don't want to cook out there in this heat. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. They look fire. Close up right here. Yeah, baby. 6 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna try to beat this heat. Lately it's been in the triple digits. All right, I will be back. 1 hour mark. We've been cooking at 250, 275. Oh, we got some good color there. The Scooby snacks are coming along. My dog is gonna enjoy those for sure. We will check back in 1 hour. All right, guys. So the Scooby snacks are ready, and my dog Chance, he's ready to devour these. I let him cool down a little bit. Look at how juicy they are. I'm ready to eat myself a bite of this. Come here, boy. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Good boy. Who gets a treat? Who gets a treat? Another treat? Shake. What a good boy. What a good boy. Oh, he's taking off. Oh, I've been smoking at 225, 250. I had to bring down the heat because my ribs were just drying up too quick. So I've been spraying every half hour. I just got some water right here. But let me back up on the camera. Then I got some wings over here and some more appetizers. And all I did was just season them with lemon pepper. We'll check back in an hour or so. Like I said, every half hour I've been spraying. All right, 3-hour mark. Let's see what we got. So this barbecue sauce, I have a cup of Sweet Baby Ray's, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, fresh ground pepper, and a couple tablespoons of honey. I also added a full orange, the juice anyways. I want to get them just a little bit darker, and then we'll wrap. We're at almost 4 hours. See what it looks like. Pretty damn good, if you ask me. These wings are done. Looks good, doesn't it? Let's try it out. I think I just discovered something. That's the best sauce I've ever had in my life. Damn. I can't believe this. The sauce has just a mild spiciness from the cayenne pepper. And then you got the honey, the barbecue sauce. It all comes together beautiful. Wow. Let me get these guys wrapped up. We'll check back about an hour. We'll check it out, see how it looks. We're 5 hours into it. Let's check them out. It was 4 hours smoke, and then 1 hour wrap. Just want to check. Oh yeah, these guys are overdone. The way you know is when you pick them up and then they just bend. You got a nice pullback on the bones. See how I'm just squeezing, man? My finger goes right in. Looks like the fat rendered pretty good too. See if I can pick this up without falling apart. Yeah, this is good. Put this barbecue sauce. We're gonna eat good. All right, I'm pretty happy with that sauce. All right, I'll check back with you half hour. We'll give it a half hour and then we'll take it from there, because all I need is the sauce to tack up. The ribs are done. They got beautiful color. 5 hours and 35 minutes. Time for the rest. What's up, guys? I got a bonus for you guys. So while the ribs rest, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a michelada. So let me share the ingredients real quick. You can use your favorite hot sauce if you want. I like Valentina. And then we got some chamoy, clamato. But make sure it says michelada because there's different flavors. Some tajin. Of course, your choice of beer. We got Modelo. Some Worcestershire sauce. And seasoning of maguey. So there's many ways you can do this. For me, this works for me. Either you can rim it with a lime, lemon, whatever. I like doing this. So I just put chamoy, un platito. Shake the excess off. a little right here, dip it in. Fire. Took me like 4 tries to get the recipe right because I forgot. I haven't made it in a long time. So I got a half a tablespoon. Be very careful with this seasoning. It's super strong. Also with the Maggi, half a tablespoon. Super strong, guys. So half a tablespoon of that. And then we're gonna shoot into La Valentina. You can use any hot sauce, like I said. Put a full tablespoon. Fire, man. Can't wait to pound this bad boy. Chamoy, half a tablespoon. This is for a 12-ounce beer. Tajin, tablespoon. Half a lime. Lime or lemon, doesn't matter. I got lime on hand. As far as the colmanto, you really want to take measurements, I usually just pour it in there. 1, we'll do 5. I'm gonna mix the ingredients before I put the beer or the ice. It's very important that you mix this up before anything goes in there. Damn, this is delicious. Wow, incredible. Cuts like butter. Oh, plenty juicy. Plenty juicy. Check it out. First time making these, guys. Let me tell you like this. They're super tender, okay? What I'm getting, the black pepper, a little bit of the cayenne pepper, just a hint of sweetness, and the smoke flavor, this red oak, delicious. It just brings it up to another level. Wow. Let's see what my dog thinks. Come here, boy. Come here. Can the camera catch him? Oh, damn, he almost hit my whole finger. All right. I think I got my thumbnail. All right, let's plate this bad boy. Let's grub. Pretty good. Can't forget those wings. I'll make a video with wings. Salud. To cut the richness from the ribs. Salud. Freaking bomb. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate for all the subscribers. And I'm gonna tell you this, I'm gonna make this again, but I'm gonna make it a different way. And stay tuned. Gracias and thank you. And thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Salud. Bomb. Bomb. Just can't get over it. Peru. It's by Peru, California at Brenda's. This is where I got it. They got great menudo there, so I recommend their menudo, but this is where I got it. She makes them herself, and I tasted them, and they're delicious. So I highly recommend you guys to go and try some out. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and